Hi, this is Jill from BoomerTech Adventures, and I want to share with you a feature on the iPad Photos app that is relatively new, which I really like. It allows me to get rid of things I don't want in the picture. So as I look at this picture of Victoria Harbor, I look at that crane in the background. I'm thinking, that doesn't do anything for the picture. Can I get rid of it? I'm going to tap on the editing icon, which is the 3 lines with dots, and over on the left you see at the bottom one of the options is cleanup. So I'm going to tap that, and directions come up that tell me to tap, brush, or circle what I want to get rid of. So I'm just going to use my finger, and I am circling all around this crane, and let's see if it's gone. Yes, it is. Much better. Now, as I look at it, I think maybe there's too much water at the bottom. So I'm going to do a little cropping while I'm here. So I've tapped crop. The corners have become bold, and I'm just going to pinch them up. And I'm going to tap done. And I like that picture much better.